you're about to see is me within a 48-hour timeline doing all things baking. I'm a baker. I enjoy baking, and it's surprising looking back at the video during the editing, the amount of work I do in a week. There is almost cake happening every day on my work table, when I tell you. So the vlogs are a good way to kind of bring you along. I wanted to create a week of what I do from Monday to, say, the Sunday, and every day there is cake related stuff. But it's exhausting even editing through that. And if I'm going to be exhausted editing it, I can imagine you will be tired watching. I know you're curious, okay? I know. But there's nothing exciting about my life except that I love cakes. The exciting parts of my life is more about cake. Otherwise, I'm a regular person. I'm normal. I don't like drama. There's nothing in my life. If I didn't have cakes, I would be happy in an island somewhere, excited with my life, okay? So join me in the vlog and let's go and explore the subject of cakes in my kitchen and all that has to do with it. Thanks for being here. I have a confession. When you see a vlog, there's a struggle and one has to organize. So let me just set you somewhere and then we can talk, okay? I have a lot to do, but sometimes I struggle to organize. And I mean, sometimes starting important tasks and doing important things that will help me prioritize and keep on top of tasks, making things easier for me is really difficult. But I'm telling you this because my week is long. So it's a 2-tier cake I have to do the weekend, and there's one cake. Normally between content scheduling, editing, filming live videos, there's a lot in the week and I have to kind of keep on top of things. On top of that, I do have some personal things that I want to achieve in the week. I just can't seem to kind of get myself. And the worst thing, if I have to admit, is managing my attention. Sometimes it's like, I'm not on Instagram anymore. I am on TikTok, but only for posting occasional cake related content. I just find that I have times where I am just constantly scrolling, or I have to have something, and I struggle with the quiet, especially when I am intentional about just wanting to have quiet moments. So you know what, it's nearly 10 p.m. It's a Monday. Let me just tidy the lounge. Running a business it's not what I thought it would be. I just thought I'd make cakes. Well, that would be a little bit naive. I kind of thought like I knew what it entailed. It's just that there are aspects of it that I hate and I dread, and it makes me anxious, and I feel like, God, I can't deal with this. But you know what? I have a messy lounge. I have stuff to organize. At least spending my time productively doing small things will help me get through like a busy week. So let's go get much of that. I've started with some already, okay, but right now I just need the lot done so that I know that I am sorted, and then we can take it another day and we'll see. So my morning's routine is partly completed. Half of the time my morning generally is not filmed because I have, you know, mothering duties to attend to. So I literally needed some ingredients for a cake. Well, this is my plan for the morning. My day is really tight for time, so the idea was to go shopping, pick up some buttermilk, which I needed quickly, so that when I come I can organize my morning, perhaps get the cakes first in the oven, start with lemon curd, and then go on to do buttercream whilst the cake is baking. I have up until 2 o'clock today to get my day finished. Unfortunately, there's no buttermilk, and I don't know if trying to vlog myself is even a good idea at this point. So I'm just walking back home quickly. So let's keep going and see how this day will work out for me.
Drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you. Something about you I